Open the package box. Open the buckle at the bottom of the machine and install the battery. Press and hold the top switch for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Click OK. Enter the fault password 1234. You can change new password yourself. Before testing, you need to do check with our standard sample. The sample must be aligned with the window. Click Check and OK to start self-check. The self-check is successful. Start testing. If it fails, please retest. The following is an example of testing using a silver sample. When the test is completed, the machine will make a beeping sound. The following is an example of testing using a gold sample. Click the camera to observe whether the sample position is aligned. In data, you can view history data.